Good evening. We have disturbing news. A plane containing an estimated 50 passengers has crash-landed just outside Copenhagen Airport during an emergency landing. The airplane was supposed to perform an emergency landing in Copenhagen due to the suspicion of passengers being infected. We have the communication between the pilot and the air traffic control coming up now.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. Calling EMSS 15 radar. Aircraft calling EM15 SS. Emergency landing due to medical situation on board. Requesting immediate medical assistance on landing site. Flying from Jordan, bound for Stockholm, Sweden, Arlanda Airport. Altitude 100 meter. Landing ETA 2 minutes. Carrying 50 souls. Situation on board. Medical transport developed to a possible outbreak of acute respiratory infectious disease. Initiating emergency crash landing.
This is EMSS 15 radar air traffic control. EM15 SS Roger, your mayday have been received. You're cleared for emergency landing.
Medical situation report to all medical staff. A severe outbreak of an infectious respiratory disease contained in an airplane. The infected presents with severe acute respiratory infection and renal failure. The plane was carrying 2 med-evac patients from Jordan to Sweden. Both these and an assisting nurse have died during the flight. Many of the other patients on board are having similar symptoms.